Want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day. Your legs are getting weaker, and you might not even notice it yet. One day, standing up from your chair feels a bit more difficult. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you winded. Before long, even short walks feel exhausting. This isn't just normal aging, it's muscle loss. Slow, silent, and dangerously easy to ignore. Here's the surprising truth. Your legs are the first to lose strength as you get older. When that happens, your balance declines, your independence slips away, and your risk of falling increases sharply. But here's the great news. It's never too late to rebuild. You can start strengthening your legs right at your kitchen table. Because while exercise matters, what you eat can be just as powerful, and sometimes even more effective. In this video, we'll reveal 6 powerful foods that can help restore your muscle strength, protect your bones, and keep your legs stable and full of life as you age. Be sure to watch until the end, because the number 1 food on this list is something most people already have in their pantry, but very few eat it the right way. Before you begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching. Remember to subscribe to receive more natural health tips and share your thoughts in the comments. It's always a pleasure to see the reach of our community. All right, let's get started. Here are 6 science-backed foods to help your legs stay strong, flexible, and full of energy. Number 6, sweet potatoes, the fuel that keeps your legs going. When it comes to maintaining steady, powerful legs, energy is key. But not all energy sources are equal. Some foods give you a quick rush, followed by a crash. Sweet potatoes, however, provide lasting energy that powers your muscles for hours, helping you stay active, upright, and steady. As we age, our muscles become less efficient at storing and using energy. That's why even simple tasks, like carrying groceries or walking uphill, can start to feel tougher. Sweet potatoes help counter that naturally. Full of complex carbs, they give you slow, steady fuel without spikes or crashes in blood sugar. Inside that vibrant orange flesh are vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that repair tiny muscle tears, prevent cramping, and keep your movement smooth. Vitamin A supports recovery and reduces soreness, while potassium regulates muscle contractions and helps keep tissues hydrated. Chronic inflammation silently weakens muscles over time. But beta-carotene in sweet potatoes protects against that damage at the cellular level, keeping your legs flexible and pain-free. Even your gut plays a role in strength. The natural fiber in sweet potatoes supports healthy digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your muscles get the energy they need. Roast them, mash them, or mix them into soups and salads. Their gentle sweetness pairs with almost anything. Each serving helps your legs carry you farther, one strong step at a time. Number 5, oats, the endurance booster for tired legs. Most people think of oats as a simple breakfast, but for older adults, they're one of the best foods for maintaining leg endurance and steady energy. If your legs feel heavy halfway through the day or weak when climbing stairs, oats can help recharge them. As we grow older, our muscles lose stamina because our bodies become less efficient at balancing blood sugar and energy levels. Oats provide slow-digesting carbs that deliver steady fuel for hours. No energy crashes, no afternoon fatigue. Just smooth, lasting strength for walking, gardening, or staying active. But oats do more than just energize you. They rebuild your muscles too. Each serving offers plant-based protein to help maintain and repair muscle fibers that naturally decline with age. That means better balance, stronger legs, and improved stability. They're also loaded with iron and magnesium, 2 nutrients many seniors don't get enough of. Iron carries oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium relaxes them, preventing cramps, stiffness, and that heavy, tired feeling in your legs. If you deal with painful night cramps, The magnesium in oats can help relieve them naturally. Oats also improve circulation by keeping blood vessels flexible, ensuring your muscles receive oxygen and nutrients for faster recovery. Enjoy them warm for breakfast, blended into smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. However you eat them, oats quietly strengthen your muscles, helping your legs stay firm, steady, and ready for every step ahead. Number 4, avocados, the flexibility and cramp-fighting powerhouse. Avocados aren't just a trendy food, they're one of the smartest ways to keep your legs strong, limber, and pain-free. As the years go by, stiffness often sneaks up on us. The dull ache when getting out of bed, or the tightness after sitting too long. Much of that comes from inflammation, which slowly wears down your muscles and joints. Avocados help fight that naturally. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, those good fats that soothe inflammation, protect muscle fibers, and keep joints flexible. The result? Less stiffness, fewer aches, and easier movement every day. Even better, avocados are brimming with potassium, a mineral that muscles rely on for proper contraction. They actually contain more potassium than bananas, helping prevent cramps, spasms, and those painful nighttime leg tightness episodes. If you've ever jolted awake with a calf cramp, low potassium could be the reason. Avocados also supply vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that repairs micro tears in your muscles, reducing fatigue and improving strength. Plus, their healthy fats enhance circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your legs to keep them energized. Add avocado to toast, smoothies, or salads. Mash it into guacamole, or simply enjoy it with salt and pepper. The key is consistency. Make it part of your regular diet, and you'll notice smoother movement, fewer cramps, and legs that feel youthful and alive for years to come. Number 3, berries, the muscle guardian and anti-aging wonder. Aging is unavoidable, but losing strength doesn't have to be. Every day, your muscles battle unseen forces like free radicals, oxidative stress, and inflammation. You may not notice them, but you feel them in stiff knees, sore legs, or fatigue after light activity. That's where berries come to the rescue. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are nature's own defenders. Packed with antioxidants, they act like a shield, fighting oxidative stress that weakens muscles and slows recovery. The more often you enjoy them, the stronger and more resilient your muscles become. Berries also combat chronic inflammation, the hidden trigger behind joint stiffness and leg pain, helping you move with greater ease. Their rich vitamin C content boosts collagen formation, keeping muscles, tendons, and joints firm, flexible, and youthful. And they don't just defend, they energize. Berries support circulation, enhancing oxygen delivery to your leg muscles so you feel less tired and bounce back faster. As a bonus, those same antioxidants that protect your body also sharpen your focus and memory, keeping your mind alert and active. Toss a handful into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or eat them fresh by the bowl. Every serving fuels strength, flexibility, and vitality from within. Simple, sweet, and powerful, berries truly nourish both body and brain. Number 2, salmon, the muscle restorer and circulation booster. Each time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your legs quietly carry your entire weight. But as we get older, the body's ability to rebuild muscle slows, leaving your legs feeling heavier or more fatigued than before. That's why salmon is such a game changer. It's one of the best foods for rebuilding muscle strength, packed with high-quality protein your body uses to repair and maintain firm, healthy tissue. But its real magic lies in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful fats that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness and discomfort. Inflammation is a key culprit behind weakness and slow recovery in older adults. Omega-3s help calm it, allowing your legs to move freely and comfortably. They also enhance circulation, keeping blood vessels flexible so oxygen and nutrients can fuel your muscles efficiently, meaning more energy, less heaviness, and quicker recovery. Salmon also supports nerve health, helping you stay coordinated and steady on your feet. Its rich supply of B vitamins, especially B12, helps convert food into clean energy to power your daily activities. Together, these nutrients promote endurance, strength, and balance. You don't need salmon daily, just 2 or 3 servings per week make a difference. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or even canned with olive oil and lemon. Each bite helps rebuild, recharge, and renew your legs from within. Number 1, eggs, the ultimate strength booster. If you ask most doctors or nutritionists which food best helps rebuild strength after 60, the answer is usually the same: eggs. Simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful. Each one contains a complete bundle of nutrients your muscles rely on to stay firm and steady. As we get older, muscle loss happens faster than repair, a condition known as sarcopenia. You might notice it as slower movement or legs that tire more easily. Eggs counter this by providing top-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the key components your muscles use to repair and grow stronger. They're also one of the richest natural sources of vitamin D, which supports not only bone strength, but also muscle coordination. Low vitamin D is common among older adults and can lead to weakness, fatigue, and balance issues. Just 1 or 2 eggs daily can naturally help replenish it. Inside each yolk is choline, a vital nutrient that helps your nerves and muscles communicate efficiently. That means better coordination, faster reactions, and smoother movements. Plus, eggs are loaded with B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all of which protect muscle cells and sustain steady energy throughout the day. You don't need many. 1 or 2 eggs a day is enough. Scramble them, boil them, or add them to veggies for variety. The key is consistency. Making eggs part of your daily routine helps you stay balanced, confident, and strong for years ahead. Because sometimes the simplest foods truly build the strongest foundations. Now, many people ask, do I need to eat all 6 of these foods every single day? Not at all. You can rotate them throughout the week. What matters most is regularity, including these foods often in your meals. Even a few servings of each during the week can make a noticeable impact on your leg strength and energy. When's the best time to eat them? Mornings are ideal. Starting your day with nutrient-dense foods gives your muscles long-lasting fuel and stabilizes your energy. But if you prefer having them at lunch or dinner, that works just as well. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. Can you eat them together? Absolutely. Many of these foods pair beautifully. For instance, oats with berries or salmon with avocado. Their nutrients actually perform better when combined, something experts call food synergy. And another common question, do I need exercise to see results? Gentle movement definitely helps these nutrients do their job faster. Simple leg stretches, short walks, or chair exercises can all speed up progress. Nutrition fuels your body. Movement activates it. Together, they rebuild strength from within, helping you stay strong, stable, and independent for years to come. Now that we've explored all 6 powerful foods, let's do a quick recap. Sweet potatoes power your muscles with steady energy and help them recover faster. Oats provide lasting endurance, keeping your muscles fueled and cramp-free. Avocados ease inflammation, enhance flexibility, and protect against stiffness. Berries rebuild muscle fibers and guard your joints with their potent antioxidants. Salmon restores muscle tissue, boosts circulation, and revitalizes energy from the inside out. And lastly, eggs, the complete strength food, deliver everything your legs need to stay steady, responsive, and powerful. Together, these 6 foods create a natural defense system against age-related muscle loss and weakness. Each meal that includes one or more of them brings you closer to stronger legs, better balance, and greater independence. If you've been noticing tiredness when climbing stairs, heaviness when walking, or stiffness in your legs, know that it's not too late to turn things around. Your body still responds to the care you give it. Start today. Within weeks, you may feel lighter steps, steadier balance, and renewed confidence in every movement. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should never replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before making major diet changes, especially if you manage chronic conditions, take medications, or are recovering from an injury. Your safety always comes first. Treat this as guidance, not a prescription. Remember, your legs are your foundation. When they stay strong, you stay active, independent, and in control of your life. Even small, consistent changes to your diet can lead to big improvements in how you feel each day. So start with one step this week. Maybe add sweet potatoes to dinner or toss berries into breakfast. Each bite is an investment in your future strength and freedom. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more empowering tips on staying healthy and active after 60. And if you'd like to support our mission, click the Super Thanks button below. Your kindness helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods are already part of your meals, and which one will you start adding this week? Share your answer in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to begin their journey towards stronger, healthier legs too. Stay strong, stay well, and keep moving. Every step you take brings you closer to a longer, more vibrant life.